Hey, super parents! Let's talk about something awesome. Maslow's pyramid. It's not a mountain to climb, don't worry. Maslow was a really smart guy. He said people need different things to be happy. He made a big triangle with 5 levels, like a game map. The bottom is food and safety, and the top, being your best self. For kids, this pyramid is super cool. If they're hungry or scared, they can't smile or learn. When their needs are met, they grow, laugh, and shine. Think of it like building a castle with blocks. You have to start from the bottom. Ready to explore? Grab your coffee. Parenting's a big adventure. Chapter 1. Basic Needs: Food, Sleep, and Rest. First level, basic needs. Kids need food, water, sleep, and rest to feel good. If your kid skips breakfast or doesn't sleep, they get grumpy. Even I'm a mess without my morning cereal. What kids need: breakfast every day, lots of water, good sleep at night, time to chill. Remember, a tired kid equals a crying kid. A hungry kid equals an angry kid. It's that simple. Without these, kids feel tired or mad. Chapter 2. Safety and Feeling Protected. Second level, safety. Kids need to feel safe at home, at school, and in their heart. Safety isn't just locked doors. It's a calm home with kind words. If you shout a lot, kids get scared. Even adults want to hide under a blanket sometimes. How to help. Keep a routine. Speak softly, even when upset. Tell kids mistakes are okay. Safety is like being a superhero for your child. You make the monsters disappear. When kids feel safe, they can explore and learn. If they're scared, they just want mom or dad. Say this: I make my child feel safe. You're doing great. Keep going, super parent. Chapter 3. Love and Belonging. Third level, love and belonging. Kids need hugs, friends, and family to feel happy. Love is like a big warm hug. It makes everyone feel good. What to do. Listen when your kid talks. Play together. Say I love you a lot. Eat dinner together, no phones. When kids feel loved, they're brave and happy. It's like giving them a full battery to shine. Without love, they're like my phone at 1%, barely working. Practice this. I show my child love. You're doing great. Keep going, super parent. Chapter 4. Confidence and Feeling Proud. Fourth level, confidence. Kids want to feel proud and strong, like they can do anything. Don't just say, "Good job." Tell them why. "I love how you shared," or "You tried so hard." That helps them believe in themselves. For example, when a kid draws a picture, say, "Wow, those colors are awesome." It's like watering a plant. They grow taller. When your child helps set the table, say, "Thank you. You're such a good helper." But if they don't feel loved or safe first, they can't feel proud. Each level builds the next. like stacking blocks. Say this: I help my child feel proud. You're doing great! Keep going, super parent. Chapter 5: Helping Kids Shine. Top level: being their best. When kids have food, safety, love, and confidence, they start to dream big. They say, I want to be a doctor, or a singer, or even a superhero. Don't laugh at their dreams. Say, cool, tell me more. Help them by letting them try new things, cheering when they fail and try again, showing that learning is fun. It's like giving them wings to fly. But they can't fly if they're hungry or scared. Every step matters. Practice this: I help my child dream big. You're doing great! Keep going, super parent. Final words. Hey, amazing parents! You've climbed Maslow's pyramid. Maslow's big idea? Kids need these steps to grow strong and happy. Each level builds the next, like a game of Jenga. Keep it steady. When you meet their needs, they shine like stars. Remember, you don't need to be perfect. Just be present and loving. That's enough. And parents, don't forget, you need food, love, and dreams too. Happy parents make happy kids. Practice this in English. I'm a great parent, and I'm learning English. Now go hug your kid, share a snack, and keep being awesome.